So to install Blender 4.3 on Mac, blender.org, click the download button and make sure that we are downloading the correct version for the type of Mac that's being run. So in this case, that's the Intel. Obviously there's the Apple Silicon for the other type of Mac. So click download. Wait for the file to download. And once the file is downloaded, install. So double click. And then in the installer window, click drag blender.app into the applications folder. That will copy Blender to applications, which then means we can open Blender. If it's not in our launchpad, in Finder we want to go into applications, and there will be an instance of Blender. So we can rename this if we have multiple instances, as we have here, Blender 3.6, 4.02, 4.2. So right click, rename Blender 4.3. Double click. We'll get the verification. Yes, security warning. So open. And there's Blender 4.3 ready to use.